Introducing Chesapeake Plywood's MDO panels, a top-tier solution for your construction and design needs. Crafted to meet the highest standards,
At Chesapeake Plywood, we stock MDO in both primed and unprimed, in many different thicknesses, from 3/8 inch thick up to 1 inch, and in various sizes, from 4x8s to 4x10s, and believe it or not, even 5x10s.
compliant with APA and PS 109 specifications, our MDO panels boast a smooth resin, which is water-resistant phenolic, impregnated cellulose fiber overlay, ensuring durability in diverse conditions. What sets our MDO panels apart are their key advantages. Resistant to exterior weathering, these panels offer exceptional paintability, making them the go-to choice for projects that demand a flawless finish.
MDO has tons of applications, anything from exterior signs to cabinets to exhibits and displays to crating.
The use of NAUF exterior, fully water-resistant phenolic glue ensures not only dimensional stability but also aligns with eco-friendly practices. Plus, with the option for FSC certification, you can choose sustainability without compromising on quality. Invest in Chesapeake Plywood's MDO panels, a testament to innovation, quality, and performance in every project.